Hello everyone, welcome back to our Tech Info channel. Today we're diving into the CVE-2024-9474 vulnerability found in Palo Alto Networks PAN-OS. This critical vulnerability affects a wide range of PAN-OS versions and could allow attackers to escalate privileges to root level. Stick with us to understand the risk and how to secure your systems. Before start the video, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our tech community. CVE-2024-9474 is a privilege escalation vulnerability in PAN-OS, which affects versions 10.1 through 11.2 of PAN-OS, running on PA series, VM series, and CN series firewalls, as well as Panorama and Wildfire appliances. An attacker who has access to the management web interface can escalate their privileges and execute commands with root-level access. The following versions of PAN-OS are affected by the CVE-2024-9474 vulnerability. If successfully exploited, this vulnerability could allow an attacker to tamper with system settings, potentially compromising network integrity. The worst-case scenario involves root-level control, which could be catastrophic for organizations relying on PAN-OS for their firewall and security needs. To check if your devices are vulnerable, visit Palo Alto's customer support portal, where you'll find a list of your devices with internet-facing management interfaces. Make sure to limit access to trusted internal IPs to minimize exposure. The issue has been fixed in PAN-OS versions 10.1.14h6, 10.2.12h2, 11.0.6h1, 11.1.5h1, and 11.2.4h1. If you're running any of these versions or earlier, it's crucial to upgrade immediately. Ensure that only trusted internal IP addresses have access to the management interface to further reduce the risk. If you're unable to upgrade right away, make sure to restrict access to the management interface. You can follow Palo Alto's guidelines for securing administrative access to avoid exploitation through external networks. Thank you for watching this important update on the CVE-2024-9474 vulnerability. We hope this video helps you understand the risks and take the necessary steps to secure your systems. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.